It was always in the data, bro.
Anisha, I just want to say thank you
For what?
for swiping right on me and sweeping me off my feet. This 1 year has just shown me that you're the one for me, babe.
Hello.
Hi.
Those 1 year anniversary photos you put up were so shit. And what was that shirt? What are you? Some human jigsaw puzzle or what? It was never you, babe.
She's right.
Hey, you shut up, da. You always take her side. So, what are we watching?
What are you? Parasite 2 or 3?
3.
We've seen this play out a million times. Never ends well. Just watch.
I think we should watch 50 Shades of Grey. Mr. Nitin will see you now.
I'd rather watch Twilight.
But, babe, Rakhi Ka Swayamvar has a better love story than Twilight.
How about How to Lose a Guy in 10 Days?
Better suggestion. Crazy Stupid Love.
Give it. You are crazy and stupid and have no idea about love. And what is this shirt?
It's a nice shirt. And you know my mom gifted this to me.
Oh, now you're offended. Such a mama's boy.
Don't talk about my mom and all.
Tragic. Ever wonder how a simple movie recommendation algorithm can turn their 1 year anniversary from chill scenes to shrill scenes? I'll break it down.
Hey, Guru, who are you to say such things? Where are you, first of all?
Look.
I'm a data scientist, or DS, who always says, data, bro.
Whose data, bro?
Okay, here's an interesting backstory. But if you want, you could just skip to the intro. In 2006, OTT platforms started to experiment with data. One of the big ones asked smart folk like me to create an algorithm that will go through tons of data to improve the accuracy of predicting which movie or show that you would enjoy. Like, it's so good and scary at the same time. Okay, I'll admit, I have a thing for trash TV, okay?
Like garbage, kachada.
Like you.
Hey, babe.
How'd you get her, bro?
Data, bro, data.
Ah, so it's like that, huh?
All I want to know is how did you get inside?
Exactly.
Anyway, the OTT recommendation engine is made up of algorithms that filter content based on each user profile.
I don't understand.
It's basically like a mummy, bro. And I'll hit you if you think of Egyptians or sugar.
Oh, as if. You want to go? You want to go?
Mom knows exactly what everyone's doing in the house, correct? What everyone's doing at what time and what time you Netflix and chill. She knows your favorite dish and she knows that you will watch reruns of The Office at 4 p.m. while your meeting's going on.
How do you know what my mom knows?
The recommendation engine is like your mom. It filters over 3,000 titles and 1,300 recommendation clusters based on your preference. And in fact, 80% of your activity is driven by this personalized recommendation.
Oh, so I'm being controlled by my TV then?
The interesting part is, the reason you get nice shows is because of friends like me. It takes certain clues and points from users like you, what you've watched, what you've liked, and then recommends that to you. That, my friend, is collaborative filtering.
Hey, damn sweet. I don't have to do anything.
Like you do anything anyway.
Lastly, there are thousands of people constantly tagging every content based on different filters. A large internal team does it day in and day out. So there's a correlation drawn between what you've been watching and the tags. They run these two statistical models to predict what you will watch next.
Oh, so basically I'm a data point for them. And based on my history and history of people with similar interests, they recommend content for me. Oh my god.
Exactly. But how did you become smart in 10 seconds?
Hey bro, I'm smart only, okay? Ask Anisha. Fine, I have another smart question to ask. What does the recommendation engine track?
Are you ready?
I was born.
Don't start.
It tracks everyone. You watched the movie 365 days, 365 times, didn't you? What was that dialogue?
Are you lost, baby girl?
Yuck.
Now, the tagging team will tag that movie into a bucket called Nitin's Fantasy. Now, based on that bucket, more items will be added or removed.
My fantasy, I don't think Anisha should be.
We're just getting started. You use the profile Parasite 3 on your phone and in your office.
Please, don't stop.
And there was one particular scene that you watched 50 times from minute 25, 20 seconds to minute 26, 54 seconds. Should I play it?
Hey, don't amacha, please.
You also gave it a thumbs up 20 times.
We'll watch whatever you want to watch, babe.
And because you watched that, 50 Shades of Grey was recommended. And there are some 40 other titles that you watched. I think I'll just name them.
Why is this remote not working?
What have you been watching?
Let's make your algorithm smarter, bro. I'll give you some kick-ass recommendations. And remember, it's all in the data.
Hey, you go sleep now. You ruined my life already.
I'll ruin it more for you.
Data science and machine learning are changing the way people live. It's used in navigation apps, dating apps, shopping apps, and so much more. Data leads to very interesting insights that help people make better decisions. Or not.
And if you want to know exactly how data plays a role around you and want to know with real life situations like myself,
check out the data science and machine learning course on SCALER. Or you can end up like him. Did you guys decide what you want to watch?
why is this happening?
I thought so.